Dear students, good morning. This is Khilesh Kumar, Assistant Professor in English. So, in today's English literature class, we will discuss about a literary term, ballad. Okay. So, in BA Part second year, paper second, this literary term is prescribed ballad. Okay. So, ballad. So, a ballad is a form of verse. Okay, verse, is equal to poem, and the opposite of verse, prose and verse. So, a ballad is a form of verse, means a ballad is not in the form of prose. Okay, a ballad is a form of poem. A ballad is also a concept of storytelling, song or poem. Sorry. So, dear students, a ballad is also a concept of storytelling, song or poem. Means, so the ballad is a poem that tells a story. Okay. So, ballad is a poem that tells a story, or we can say the poet tells a story by using ballad in his poem. It is a narrative poem set to music. Okay, so set to music, it means ballad is like a song. Ballad is the synonym of song, and it is often narrative, not short. Ballad is a narrative poem. Ballads were originally dance songs. Okay, so in ancient time, ballads were originally dance group songs, dance songs. Ballads were popular poetry. Ballads were popular poetry and song of Britain and Ireland from the later medieval period until the 19th century. Okay, so ballads were popular poetry and song of Britain and Ireland from the later medieval period until the 19th century. In the later 19th century, the term was a popular form of love songs. In the later 19th century, the term was a popular form of love song. Next. A ballad has usually 4-line stanzas called quatrains. Okay, so 4-line stanzas are called quatrains. So a ballad has usually 4-line stanzas. Many folk songs are ballads. Ballads have a long history in music, poetry, and literature. A long history. Okay, so ballads have a long history. So ballads have traditional stories in music, poetry, and literature. A ballad can be slow, mournful, yani sad, painful, song, love song. Okay, so a ballad can be a mournful, sad love song, sad song of love. Ballads often use vivid and expressive imagery. Next, so some examples of ballads: The Rime of the Ancient Mariner by S.T. Coleridge, The Lass That Made the Bed to Me by Robert Burns, Lucy Gray or Solitude by William Wordsworth. So these are some examples of ballad. So dear students, ballad is a poem that tells a story. It is a narrative poem set to music, okay, and it has usually 4-line stanza. Ballads are often a narrative, not short poem, and ballads have a long history in music, poetry, and literature. A ballad can be a slow, mournful love song, mournful, painful, sad love song, sad songs of love. And ballads often use vivid and expressive imagery. So this is your literary term, ballad. So thank you so much, my dear students.